A very good morning to you all, children. Children, I welcome you all into this session of debating, and I welcome you all into topic discussion. Now, children, as you all know, that will have to make two videos, one in favor of the topic, the other against the topic. Right? Now, the topic given you will be is rather the first topic is COVID-19, a boon or a bane. Right? Now, boon or a bane means was it good or was it bad? Good is boon, bad is bane. So you have to make your mindset accordingly. In this PDF, I have given some points. You analyze them, you find data for them, and then accordingly take a decision whether you wish to speak for it being a boon. Now, see, you will have to open your debate by speaking about COVID 19, what it is, how it is spread, what happened, the world scenario also, from where it originated, then when, what all it did, right? And then you have to announce whether you are speaking in favor, that is, whether you agree it is a boon or you regard it to be a bane. If you regard it to be a boon, then see, these are a list of points A to H. You can choose any 4 5 out of it, or you can also make your own points. And if you regard it to be a bane, then these are list of points also. Now see, there are two notings. Proper voice modulation, that is, sometimes you have to speak loudly, sometimes softly, is a key to success. And you are supposed to make two videos, one in favor and against, of 3 minutes each, right? You have to make both videos, right? Okay. Now see, suppose you say you chose it to be boon, and the first point you chose is air became fresher and cleaner. Now, this topic is linked with pollution, so you will have to give some informations that what was the air prior to COVID-19. It was very hard to breathe. There was a lot of respiratory problems all around. Even small children used to suffer from asthma, right? Sometimes dust was so heavy that we felt like vomiting. But see, since the lockdown has occurred, the air seems to be lighter and fresher, right? This is how you have to build up your points, right? So I exposed the first topic to you, which is COVID-19, a boon or bane, and now I leave it all up to you to choose the points and frame a beautiful debate in favor of as well as against the topic, right? You have to make both the PDFs and send it. Thank you, children. Happy debating and goodbye.